Laundry capsules. Introducing our premium laundry capsules, specially formulated to provide superior cleaning performance while also preserving the color and integrity of your clothing. A laundry capsule is designed to effectively kill bacteria and germs, ensuring that your clothes are not only clean, but also hygienic. With a gentle and fragrance-free formula, a laundry capsule is perfect for those with sensitive skin or allergies. No added fragrances means your laundry will smell fresh and clean after washing without any harsh odors.